You need to watch this if you struggle with creating viral content. In today's digital age, creating content that captures attention and goes viral can seem like a daunting task. Many people spend hours brainstorming ideas, editing videos, and posting content, only to see minimal engagement. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify this process and significantly increase your chances of going viral? No tech skills? No problem. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have years of experience in video editing to create viral content. With the right tools and guidance, anyone can do it. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with some experience, there's a solution that can help you achieve your goals. Just choose your template, add your content, and let the AI weave its magic. Imagine having access to a library of professionally designed templates that you can customize to fit your brand and message. You simply select a template, add your text, images, and videos, and let the AI handle the rest. It's like having a professional video editor at your fingertips, ready to create stunning content for you. Boom! You've got a viral-worthy short in minutes. The AI does all the heavy lifting, ensuring that your video is optimized for engagement and shares. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience. But wait, there's more. Creating viral content is just the beginning. To truly succeed, you need to understand the strategies and techniques that can help you maximize your reach and impact. Our full course guides you every step of the way, from brainstorming ideas to mastering the art of viral content. This comprehensive course covers everything you need to know, from the basics of video creation to advanced strategies for increasing engagement and shares. You'll learn how to identify trending topics, create compelling hooks, and use analytics to refine your approach. Learn the secrets to crafting catchy hooks and engaging visuals that keep viewers hooked. A great video starts with a great idea, but it's the execution that makes it truly stand out. Our course teaches you how to create eye-catching visuals, write attention-grabbing headlines, and use storytelling techniques to keep your audience engaged from start to finish. And the best part? You don't have to do it alone. You'll be part of a community of like-minded creators who are all working towards the same goal. You can start earning up to $1,000 a day. Imagine turning your passion for content creation into a lucrative income stream. With the right strategies and tools, it's possible to earn significant money from your videos. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or make a full-time living from content creation, our course can help you achieve your financial goals. Think about it. A few minutes of work for a massive payday. The potential for earning money from viral content is huge, and it doesn't require a massive time investment. With the right approach, you can create videos that generate thousands of views and shares, leading to increased revenue from ads, sponsorships, and other monetization opportunities. It's time to turn your creativity into cash, folks. If you've ever dreamed of making money from your creative talents, now's the time to take action. Our course provides you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed, and our community offers support and encouragement every step of the way. Ready to get started? The journey to viral success begins with a single step. Click the link below, enroll in our course, and watch your success skyrocket. By enrolling in our course, you'll gain access to exclusive content, expert advice, and a supportive community of creators. You'll learn how to create videos that not only go viral, but also drive engagement and revenue. invideo-io, your ticket to viral fame and fortune. Our AI-powered platform makes it easy to create professional quality videos that capture attention and drive results. Whether you're looking to grow your personal brand, promote your business, or simply share your creativity with the world, invideo-io can help you achieve your goals. Don't wait. Your viral success story starts now. The sooner you start, the sooner you can begin reaping the rewards of your efforts. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Take the leap and start your journey to viral success today. Here's a real example. Use trending hashtags and analyze your video's performance to see what works best. By staying on top of trends and using data to inform your strategy, you can create content that resonates with your audience and increases your chances of going viral. Our course teaches you how to identify and leverage trends, as well as how to use analytics to refine your approach and improve your results. Share your videos on multiple platforms and engage with your audience to boost visibility. The more platforms you share your content on, the greater your reach and potential for engagement. Our course covers the best practices for sharing your videos on social media, as well as how to engage with your audience to build a loyal following, collaborate with influencers, and plan a content strategy to maximize reach. Working with influencers can help you tap into new audiences and increase your visibility. Our course teaches you how to identify and approach potential collaborators, as well as how to develop a content strategy that maximizes your reach and impact. What strategies have you tried to make your content go viral? Let us know in the comments. Sharing your experiences and learning from others is a key part of the content creation journey. By engaging with our community, you can gain valuable insights and feedback that can help you improve your approach and achieve better results. Imagine celebrating your viral video success and seeing those earnings roll in. There's nothing quite like the feeling of seeing your hard work pay off. With the right strategies and tools, you can achieve viral success and enjoy the financial rewards that come with it. Set your goals, stay consistent, and watch your efforts pay off. Success in content creation requires dedication and persistence. By setting clear goals and staying consistent in your efforts, you can build momentum and achieve the results you're looking for. Click the link below, enroll in our course, and start your journey to viral success today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from the best and take your content creation skills to the next level. Our course provides you with everything you need to succeed, from expert advice to practical tools and resources. invideo-io, your ticket to viral fame and fortune. With invideo-io, you have the power to create stunning videos that capture attention and drive results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, our platform makes it easy to produce high-quality content that stands out. Don't wait, your viral success story starts now. The time to act is now. Take the first step towards achieving your content creation goals and start your journey to viral success today. Click the link below to enroll in our course and unlock your potential. Let's dive deeper into the process. First, you need to understand your audience. Knowing who you're creating content for is crucial. It helps you tailor your videos to their interests and preferences, increasing the likelihood of engagement and shares. Use analytics to understand your audience's demographics, interests, and behavior. This data is invaluable in helping you create content that resonates with your viewers. Our course teaches you how to use analytics tools to gather insights and refine your content strategy. Plan your content ahead of time. A well-thought-out content calendar can help you stay organized and consistent. It ensures that you're always prepared with fresh, engaging content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Invest in good equipment. While you don't need the most expensive gear, having a decent camera, microphone, and lighting can significantly improve the quality of your videos. Our course provides recommendations for budget-friendly equipment that delivers professional results. Edit your videos to perfection. Good editing can make a huge difference in the final product. It helps you create a polished, professional-looking video that stands out. Our course covers essential editing techniques and tips to help you enhance your videos. Don't forget the details. Adding captions, creating eye-catching thumbnails, and optimizing your video for search engines can boost your video's visibility and engagement. Our course teaches you how to optimize every aspect of your video to maximize its impact. Share your videos strategically. Posting your videos at the right time and on the right platforms can make a big difference in their performance. Our course provides insights into the best times to post and the most effective platforms for sharing your content. Collaborate with others. Working with influencers and other creators can help you reach new audiences and increase your visibility. Our course teaches you how to identify potential collaborators and build mutually beneficial relationships. Continuously analyze and adjust. The digital landscape is constantly changing, and what works today might not work tomorrow. By regularly analyzing your video's performance and adjusting your strategy, you can stay ahead of the curve and continue to create content that resonates with your audience. Celebrate your successes. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a step towards your ultimate goal. Celebrate your achievements and use them as motivation to keep pushing forward, set new goals, and keep moving forward. The journey to viral success is ongoing, and there's always room for improvement. By setting new goals and continuously striving to improve, you can achieve long-term success in content creation. Click the link below, enroll in our course, and start your journey to viral success today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from the best and take your content creation skills to the next level. Our course provides you with everything you need to succeed, from expert advice to practical tools and resources. invideo-io, your ticket to viral fame and fortune. With invideo-io, you have the power to create stunning videos that capture attention and drive results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, our platform makes it easy to produce high-quality content that stands out. Don't wait. Your viral success story starts now. The time to act is now. Take the first step towards achieving your content creation goals and start your journey to viral success today. Click the link below to enroll in our course and unlock your potential. And don't forget, we have a special offer for you. Click the link in the description to get a 50% discount on your invideo-io subscription. This is your chance to access all the powerful features of invideo-io at half the price. Don't miss out on this limited time offer.